Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix no audio device installed on Windows 11 error. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to run the audio troubleshooter. To do that, press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. In this is under the system section. Scroll down a little bit, go to troubleshoot and check the other troubleshooters. And you can see playing audio in here. Just tap on run, and then after you need to follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. This will take small time, and it asks which audio device has issue. In my case it is this one, and tap next. Then it will be identify and fix the issue. If it can't fix the issue, it will be guide you how to fix that one. And that is not working, you have to check the enable audio device. To do that, press Windows plus R. It will be open run menu. Now you need to type mmsys.cpl. Hit enter. You can see in the playback tab, right click on the empty area and make sure check show disabled devices. It is checked, so you can see all the devices. And if you don't see that, if it is unticked, you need to tick that one. Then after you will be able to see some kind of disabled devices here. Then after you need to activate it. So in my case it is all the devices are activated, so I don't have to do that. Just tap on OK. And next method is update your audio drivers. To do that, press Windows plus X. It will be open this kind of menu. Go to device manager. In the device manager you need to select sound, video and game controls. Double tap on it and choose the audio device you have issue with. Right click on it and tap on update drivers and choose the first one, and it says best drivers are already installed. Go back, choose the second one, again choose this one and choose your already installed driver and tap on next. Then it will be reinstall the already installed driver. And if that also not working, just right click on that and tap on uninstall and tap on uninstall. Then after you need to restart your computer. Then it will be automatically install the necessary audio drivers for your computer. And those methods also not working, you have to check BIOS setting. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS UEFI setting. Most computers it is in F2 key, and sometimes it will be F12, and sometimes it will be delete key, or sometimes it will be ESC. So check which one has your BIOS setup key. You can use internet also. Ensure that onboard audio is enabled in the BIOS setting. If it is disabled, you have to enable it. Then after save and exit the BIOS setting. And that also not working, you can run the system file checker and DISM tool. To do that, you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type sfc space /scan now. Hit enter. Wait for the scan to complete. Then after you need to type DISM /online /cleanup image -image. Make sure starting letter is capital, space /restore health. Hit enter. Wait for the process to complete. This step should help you to resolve the no audio device install error on Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.